everybody, welcome to a new day and a new vlog. I am at the St. George's Botanical Gardens, or in the parking lot at least, because today is Mango Mele, a mango festival here in St. Croix. It happens every year in the summer, and this is my first time actually going to it, so I'm gonna take you guys along. We're gonna see what's happening today, get some good food, good vibes, good time, and yeah, let's go. Stopped to get some Crucian ice, which is basically shaved ice. I got guava and soursop, and we're just chilling. There's some local Kariel music playing in the background, so I'm gonna take you guys along. We're gonna walk around, see what else there is, and find some food at some point. Adriel and I are doing some exploring now. There are lots of trees, lots of plants around, obviously, because this is a botanical garden, but there's little like plaques on the ground so you can see what the trees are. And I think they also do guided tours, but there's also a lot of cool ruins. So like this, for example, this was a walk-in well. I'm cheating, this line is right there. Got some more ruins over there. And the Botanical Gardens is pretty much open up year-round. You can always come here and walk around. So if you're visiting St. Croix or if you live here, it's definitely a cool place to come hang out. I haven't been here in years, and I kind of regret it honestly because it's very beautiful and I love this event so far. I don't know if I mentioned, this is my first time at this event. That's great. Brought the GoPro, honestly. I see it. Okay, you probably already saw, but there's live music. We're heading towards a food demonstration right now, and there's supposed to be a mango eating contest later, so very excited to see all that.
Demonstration using local ingredients. I'm gonna do, but before, let me just explain my spread a little bit. So here you guys can try my plantain hummus that I made with roasted plantains. I have tostones and crackers I'm gonna make, and then I have some red velvet rum cake and chocolate chip cookies. And today I'm gonna be making a plantain and fresh mango hummus. Salsa. And then I'm gonna be making a stew with pumpkin and spinach, and everything is pretty much local. I just picked these in the garden, some fresh thyme and rosemary. I got spinach from the farm, pumpkin, and I squeezed some fresh coconut milk this morning. So let's get this show on the road. I'm gonna start with the
Sure.
You want me to grab some food?
Yeah.
Both?
Sure. No, one.
Okay. That's really good. You sure you want to try it?
Some seasoning peppers. That's perfect right there as it is.
Smelling good.
Salsa and also a spinach and pumpkin soup using fresh coconut.
Look at me though.
Look who just stopped by.
Oh, you doing that, Bra?
Yep. Nothing, I'm just getting this. You and your natural.
This is...
So cute.
Of course. I never miss a photo op.
Beautiful.
Books. So those of you who like to read, this is the way to go.
One, eat your mango. I'm watching the strategy here. I'm watching the strategy. Some are peeling the whole mango first. I'm watching that one. I'm watching that one. I'm watching that one. Smart strategy. Look at little man on the end. Look at little man on the end. Look at little man on the end. What? See what's going on? All right, y'all. It's looking hot. It's heated. It's heated. They can't throw nothing in the garbage until we see it. Nothing, Johnny, nothing goes in the garbage until we see it. Oh boy. Oh boy. Somebody need to help little man. Oh wait. Little man on this side, hey, you taking your time. Stand by the person who finished to let us know. But we gotta finish up. What is time? Winner also gets 2 nights at Kari. 2, 1. Mango this, mango that, mango belly today. To go out that's with the dog. I put my life into my job and I know I'm in trouble. She manipulate my love. Oh, I know holy, and I know that people that the Baba fry yo, don't cry yo. What's going on there?
Okay, guys. We got something thinking here. She's taking her seeds and stuff and putting them to the side so that when she has to drink out of the bowl, the seeds aren't in the way. This is a good thing. They're getting there, guys. They're getting there.
Everybody go to breakfast after say bye-bye, yo.
Okay, let's cheer them on, guys. Come on. We're not falling asleep in there. Come on. Woo, 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 woo. Yeah. It's not as easy as you think with only one hand. You should try it sometime. I see a head shaking over there. You don't want to try it at all, do you? I get feedback every time I watch my stuff. Yeah, yeah. She's at number 4. They're not cleaning up. You gotta work on it more. You gotta work on it more. Positive, I need some eyes down here, hon. I got 3 possibilities here.
Donc on va parler. Pour tu t'es donné sans compte. Lui il a planté le couteau.
Okay, I think you got beat, hon. You got beat. There's a little young lady here. Did it. She did it. Woo! This big old strong guy came in second. He's got Granger run. And she took the prize.
La suite même que tu t'es battu. Ton cœur est plus précieux que de l'or. Ne pense plus jamais. Pour un homme tu veux plus voir. Des milliers d'entre eux rêvent de te faire la peau. Ton corps est aussi beau que l'or.
That's for this girl. That's the guy for the consortium. Yeah, this is the guy for the consortium.
Adriel and I are having a nice little leisurely walk back to the car. Today was extremely hot. I got my Jenny cake and chicken though, which was the top mission of the day. Adriel, did you have a good first mango mele?
Yes.
Yeah, it was a really good event. But yeah, now we're gonna head home. We're actually going to my grandma's house, so she has food ready for us, so I'm gonna go chow down. As we're leaving, so many more people are coming in. It's just wild.